We're going to actually show you an app called featurepoints. So you get free iTunes cards and Amazon cards. So what we're doing today, we're actually going to show you in a minute. Zoom this out. This is actually featurepoints. And I want you guys to use my description. So I'm going to put it down in the future link down below. So earn more, that's what you got to click on. So please use my promotion code right here. I'll give you a clearer glimpse of it. So I want you to use that code when you have the chance to download this. It'll work on Android, it'll work on iOS, on iPhones, it'll work on Android phones. So I'm on an iPhone 4 using this, and it's quite good. So I'm going to put it down in my description down below. Please, you can share your other ones too. So I want you, it's called featurepoints.com. You type in the website for that in your Safari browser or anything, and it'll come to a download when you do this. So I'm going to actually download one of these apps here, because you can actually download one of these apps and you have to wait for these 2 minutes to run the app. Some don't. You got to look at the description and do what it says. So we're going to do Coindozer. Okay, you click on that and it says download the app, use it for 2 minutes. That's what it does. So click on download the app. It's actually going to go to it. And that's what I'm saying. And this is how you get it in the iTunes store. Some descriptions come different ways, you have to look at them. So you install this and you got to let it run for about 2 minutes and you get your points. And I'm going to download it right now. And this is how you do it. Make sure you check your iTunes store. Right now it's actually downloading it. So you click on Coindozer and let it run for about 2 minutes at the same time. So it's actually really cool. And it doesn't matter, you just can let it sit for 2 minutes and you get your points. So we'll show that in a couple minutes when it does that. So you let this load and run it for like 2 minutes, and that's the way you do it. Then it will give you the points when it changes out. So that's what you do. You just can play the game for a couple of minutes, and that's what you do. So I'm going to let it run for 2 minutes and I want to show you the rest of the future points, what it does. Okay, now we'll just X out the Coindozer and go to here, go to future points and refresh the page. It should change 1679 to something else. Just give it a second, and it just gave me 1693. So it actually does work, and this is actually working on an iPhone 4, but it'll work for the latest models and you'll be able to get more stuff out of these things. And each ones are different promotions. Most of the time you can run the apps for 2 minutes. If you join my promotion code, it gives you 50 free points, 50 future points. That's what it does. If you go to here. So we're actually going to show you the rewards first. This is actually the rewards. This actually gives you on the Androids, it's probably the same thing. This actually gives you a choice to choose your own app, and it tells you how many points you need for the app to download. iTunes for $5 is 3,000 points. Also 6,000 points for $10 iTunes card. And what you do, when you set this up, your email account is in this. You can set up your email account, and when you claim the reward, when you buy it, it will usually send it to your email address with an iTunes code or any code from Amazon or anything like that. And usually it will go in your email, and that's how you get it that way. So it's 600 points for $1 Amazon card, $3 for an Amazon card, $5 for an Amazon card. It's almost like 1,800 points for $3. $5 is 3,000 points, and $10 is for 6,000 points. It's 600 points for a $1 Amazon card. PayPal also does it too. 1,800 points for $3 PayPal card. Goes right into your PayPal account. Also 3,000 points for $5. $10 for 6,000 points for PayPal. So it also does this for Google Play for your Android stuff. It's 6,000 points for $10. $15 for 9,000 points. So yes. And also for Xbox Live cards, it's $1. Probably it's for 30 days probably. And probably the other one's like 6 months probably. So it's $1 for 600 points. Also, $5 has been sold out, but they usually come back again. $10 for 10,000. $10 for 6,000 points. So you can also do PlayStation Network. It's $10 for 6,000 points. And it's very quite good. And also for Steam, it's 12,000 points for $20. I don't know, like Nintendo is usually $10, and that's what I do. So I had to show you. And also Starbucks is probably 3,000 points for a $5 Starbucks card. How you can get codes and stuff, you have to print it out and stuff like that, and that's how they send it to your email. So to earn more, like I said, I'm going to repeat it again. Make sure you use this promotion code and the website's in this thing. I'll put it in the description down below. So I want you people to do that. You can also share a custom video on your Facebook, Twitter, you name it, your email. If you share on your Facebook, the more your friends will actually join up with the site with your promotion code, and usually will show up on the screen, and usually it does. It's very quite good. And this is your help thing. It tells all about points history, what you got. And this is actually, you can actually see everything. And it tells you what you got, what you download. See, you can actually use these and do all that. And that's how you know. And also your email settings, you can set your account on this. And it's got everything what you want. So I want you guys to go to featurepoints.com, get signed up, make sure you use my promotion code. If you do that, you'll be able to get me, we'll give you 50 points for you, for bonus points to sign up from me. Then the more apps you open up, the more points I get for myself either way. It'll rack up my points a little bit more. So if you do it with your other friends that actually does, the more friends you have, the more their points will rack up too. And also when you rack up your points when they download the apps on their devices. Think about it. You can do it for other friends to refer each one. So please go to my link and join, and you'll get $50 points to start out. And the more you download those apps in yourself, the more you give me points. And you can do the same thing to other friends. You can share it on Facebook, do all the stuff. It works on Android, iOS, on Apple devices, and probably also works on iPad and all the whole 9 yards. So you have a wonderful week this week, and make sure you comment down below if you find any other point sites out there. That's pretty quite good. That's pretty awesome. And also, either way, so good luck on it, and hope you guys really like it. Thanks.